Here, good morning. I am KN Mishra, your science teacher. Welcome all of you in online classes of Little Flowers School. Class, today I am going to start from chapter 1 from your science book. Before explanation of chapter 1, I want to say something from new students. New students, please listen very carefully. See on whiteboard. For notes, you will prepare 2 copies. Make 2 copies. One for classwork and second one for homework. There should be 2 copies in classwork also. One for science first and second one for science second. In science first, physics and chemistry chapters you will write, and in science second only biology chapters you will write. Clear? Now whether it is science first copy or science second copy, in classwork copy on first page you will write LFS mission. LFS mission is to make every child good and smart, a gift of God to mankind, a pride of human race. This line you should write on first page in classwork copy. Here there should be a column of teacher signature. Clear? Now on second page you will write pledge. Again I have written here our pledge also. There are 160 pages in my notebook. ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब 160 पेज की कॉपी बनाए, नहीं तो कॉपी बना ले 60 पेज की लिख दे देयर आर 160 पेज, ऐसा नहीं. There are 160 pages in my notebook. I assure you that any page will not be torn off from this notebook. Once again a column for teacher signature here. Now on third page you will write formation regarding to the subject, according to subject with quotation. Formation of letters A, B, C, D, small letters. Clear? Now after third page, on fourth page you will write syllabus for the first term exam, first semester exam with parent signature. Syllabus for first semester exam. Right here first semester, not term. First semester exam. Syllabus for the first semester exam on fourth page. Clear? In science first, science second, these things you should mention. Clear? Now come to syllabus for the first term exam. Class here, come to syllabus for the first semester exam. Open your book. You can see very easily that in total there are 18 chapters. In total you can see very clearly there are 18 chapters. 9 here and 9 here, 18. Total 18 chapters. Out of these 18 chapters, 6 chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. Last chapter and first chapter is crop production. From chapter 1 till chapter 6, this is syllabus for first semester exam. Clear? This thing you will note in your fair copy, classwork copy. Out of these 6 chapters, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, out of these 6 chapters of your syllabus, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 is in science second copy, because these chapters are from biology. Clear? And chapter number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in science first copy. Clear? So this is common instruction for new students and for old students also. Make your copy like this and share your copy on my personal number for copy checking. This is today's homework. Share these first, second, third and fourth pages on my personal number for copy checking. Clear? Here in syllabus there is a column for parent signature. There is a column for parent signature. There should be a column here for parent signature. Clear? Now come to first chapter. Here there is a column for parent signature in fourth page, that is on fourth page, that is syllabus for the first semester exam. Parent signature should be here. Clear? This is a common instruction for all students, especially for new students. Class, here is your first chapter, chapter number 1, crop production. For new students, this is also their homework, that please write down these word meanings in your CW copy of Science Second. Please write down these word meanings given on top of your book in Science Second, because crop production chapter is in Science Second. Clear? And one more thing, listen very carefully. If you find any difficult word in this chapter, then note down that word and share those difficult words to me. I will tell you meaning of those words. Clear? Now, crop production. To meet the increasing demand of the, I am just reading your book, whatever written here, crop production, to meet the increasing demand of the fast growing human population, we need extensive and intensive crop production. You might be surprised to have this fact that this type of crop production has already been started in our country since 1960. As you know, students, crop production is very important to meet out the challenges in our society. For our extreme population, it is very essential to increase crop production anyhow. Class, after this we will study second page in later online classes. This is all for today. Write word meaning of this chapter in CW copies of Science Second, and all first 4 pages write these things. This is all for today, students. Stay home, be safe. Thank you, class.